Bitches gon' be mad when I pull up in that jag. Bitches gon' be mad when I pull up in that jag. Snakes on my back but never on my team. Bitch, I chase a bag.
What's up, guys? It's your girl GlamNefercent here, back at it again with the back at it again. Today we are doing another nail video, guys. I am loving these nail videos. I hope you guys are enjoying them as much as I am enjoying them. And if you are, don't forget to subscribe and all of that, okay? So just jumping into things, guys. I am using this rosy pink colored acrylic. I also have some regular clear acrylic. And these are both from, I don't even know the name of the company. I'll leave it in the description box. But I do have a nail supply store literally across the street from my house. So it's a nail supply store. So anything you need for nails, they have. And it's really not that expensive. So for both of these acrylics, I paid about $9 each. I also got a big bottle of monomer, like 16 ounces. I paid about $11 for that. And I put it in this jar here, the monomer. And I was able to get my number 8 brush, which is what I'm using. The first time I did my nails, guys, go check that video out. I used a number 12 brush because that's all they had. But this time they actually have the number 8, and I love this brush so much. This is the number 8 brush, which they recommend you to use when you're beginning, when you're starting off your nails. And I just love this acrylic, and I feel like I was using too much monomer. It was too wet, which is why I have the paper towel down so that I can keep, you know, drying off the brush. So, also, guys, I did shape my nails off camera. I prepped my nails off camera and shaped my nails off camera. So, I will definitely have another video of how I do that. But, I just feel like each time I would get better. This is my second time. Y'all get to see. I'm sorry, y'all. I was actually on live. I was on live so I can show you guys how, you know, I was doing it and stuff. I kind of want to get more serious with doing my own nails. Like, I like doing my own nails, so you guys will see that I'm on live. But yes, as you guys can see, the shaping is better. I wanted them longer, so that's what I was doing here. And honestly, like, I have a better tactic of putting on an acrylic. Instead of sliding it down, I think I will pat it in, you know. Listen, I am not a professional, guys. I just learned from watching my nail techs do my nails for over 10 years. Also, maybe longer than that, maybe like 15 years. Also, watching Long Hair Pretty Nails or Christina Couture Nails, you know, their videos have really been helping me. So if you guys, like I said in my last video, if you guys are interested in doing your own nails, definitely give it a try, okay? For me, I decided to do my own nails because my work sister, you know, encouraged me to do it. So did my girlfriend. As you guys can see, I messed up my nails right there. And I said, you know, hey, what the heck? Like, I pay so much money for my nails. Why not? You know, like, why not just do my own nails? Do my own makeup, own hair, and own nails, okay? If I want to go get my nails done, I will as a luxury. But I'm good with doing my own nails from now on. If I want some designs, I'll go get that done. But as far as the base, I would do that myself, you know. But yes, I really had fun doing these nails. I was really proud of myself. So proud. And I definitely want to order some more stuff. Now, I was going to order some products from Amazon, but it was taking too long and I needed my nails done pronto. So I just went to the store and just bought everything. And all this stuff, again, guys, is from a nail supply store. So it's all like legit stuff, you know. The Kiss kit is also good, but like, if you want long lasting nails, I would say spend a little money, you know. Like, spend a little money on some other products. Also, you run out of monomer and stuff like that. So Also guys, my girlfriend bought me a drill. You guys will see that in a few. But I am so loving my nails. And it's really, really easy, guys. Like, just watch some videos, you know. But it's really like, it's like common sense, you know. It's like science. You basically know how much to put, what else to put, you know. It was fun. I'm not gonna front, it was fun. The only thing I'm missing now is some like more acrylic and an extra brush and what do you call it, a lamp. I want a UV gel lamp so I can polish my nails and stuff, and some nail art stickers and stuff. But I'm loving, you know, this whole nail thing is just really fun. I can't wait to do people's nails. I'm just so excited. Okay guys, so right here, this is the drill that my girlfriend bought me. When I tell y'all this is the best drill ever, I mean, I never had a drill before, but this drill is everything. It cuts your filing time in half or even more, and I just love it because it gets you that nice, neat, sharp look that you want. It's so good to file down the nails as well, you know, and to get it nice and, you know, with no, it just leaves your nail with no lumps, no humps, no anything. And I just love this drill. It's easy to work with. I didn't have any cuts or anything, and this is great for beginners to me. I don't know, it's really simple to work. As you guys can see it to the far left, that's what I'm using on my nails, and I love it. I really do love it, guys. I didn't show me doing all my nails, but yes, and for me, I don't know how you guys do it, but I have to do one hand at a time. Because I'm right-handed, the left hand always comes out better. I usually do the right hand off camera, but I will start doing the right hand on camera so you guys can see me struggling and then see my growth and see me get better. So yes, guys, it's so easy working with this. I love it so much. Yes, guys, and this is the end. This is how they look. I love these so much because I'm so glad I picked that color acrylic because, oh, also guys, I didn't show it on camera, but I did mix the white. So after I put that layer of the pink acrylic, I did put the white on top just to thicken it out some. And yeah, just shaped it, and then I just put a fast drying top yellow coat. And on my cuticles, I put some cuticle oil and called it a day. Don't mind that piece of hair. Not sure why that's there. But yes, guys, it's not perfect. It's not, you know, A1, but it is decent. You know, for somebody, this is my second time doing my own nails, okay? So this was legit. So I can't wait to keep doing it so I can get better. So yes, guys, don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video. Later.